Record better videos with your smartphone and action camera with the filming accessory that has all the essential functions. Introducing Celdi, the first 7-in-1 wearable video rig. Celdi works with any smartphone or action camera. Use it to record POV-style videos, home movies, and cinematic videos. Its unique design allows it to be worn, handheld, or extended. Celdi has 6 modes dedicated to recording videos, and with a few manual adjustments and no tools, you'll be able to configure Celdi to match any shooting style. Celdi also helps reduce fatigue and shake when you're filming with larger cameras. Celdi makes it easy to record hands-free first-person POV videos, take the perfect selfie, record low-angle shots, pans, close-ups, and handheld follow shots, and smooth and fluid videos. Celdi is easy to adjust and can be mounted just about anywhere. Celdi's compact design makes it very easy to travel with, making it a must-have for every traveler's backpack.
Hello everyone, I'm Steven.
And I'm Daniel, and we are the Celdi team.
Celdi simplifies recording point-of-view videos. It only takes 4 steps and 30 seconds to get started. Celdi is the POV device for everyday life. With Celdi, you're no longer just the person behind the camera. Now, you can live in the moment and record it at the same time. Celdi is the best tool to record DIY projects and how-to videos. You'll be able to keep your hands free while recording everything you're doing. Give your viewers a first-person, hands-on experience so they can follow along with you. And best of all, you can wear the Celdi with almost anything without your clothes getting wrinkled. Celdi is compatible with iPhones, Android smartphones, GoPros, action cameras, digital compact cameras, and 360-degree cameras. Celdi is the easiest way to set up a basic video rig with lights, microphones, and a camera. Anyone can use Celdi to record high-quality videos because it's made for both beginner and professional videographers. Recently, Celdi was used to film key scenes for a new horror movie, Gongjiam Haunted Asylum. The director chose this setup so he could capture POV video and selfie video. Horror fans will be happy to know that many of the scariest scenes from the movie come from the POV and selfie videos recorded using the GoPro cameras. Celdi replaces up to 5 common filming accessories, making it the perfect setup for large or small video productions and family videos where you need to work light and fast. It's also one of the easiest stabilizers you'll ever use. It takes half the time to set up, so you'll spend less time balancing your camera and more time recording video. But Celdi isn't limited to just recording videos. You can use Celdi to watch videos on your smartphone, recover from an injury, read a book while you wait, or just relax in bed. After 4 years of hard work, and with feedback from more than 2,000 supporters throughout Asia, Celdi has been refined, tested, and it's ready for mass production.
And now, we need your help.
Please back our project today.
Osmo Mobile takes the shake from your video, so you can turn this into this, making you director and star of your life's movie. Do more with your phone. Just snap it in to make every shot cinematic. Active Track automatically keeps all eyes on you, your friend, We can be friends, right? Love selfies? How about action selfies? Stream moments you just have to share live on Facebook. Like right now. Have a script? Go shoot it. And cut. Editing is automatic. This is way too easy. Like photos? Take a look around. No, all the way around. Osmo will rotate the camera for you to get that perfect panorama. Capture the invisible with long exposures. Ooh, light streaks. Make jaws drop with motion time lapses. All this power is literally at your fingertips using DJI Go. Share your favorite memories. Again, and again, and again. Maybe not that one. Osmo Mobile. Beyond smart.
What if you never had to worry about getting the shot? What if you could always get the shot? Check out Rilo, the camera that lets you capture the world in 360 degrees. Rilo records video in every direction at once, so you can compose the perfect shot and focus on the subject you want after you finish recording. Capturing all 360 degrees lets us do some incredible things, like cinema quality stabilization, so your videos never feel handheld. With front back, you won't miss a moment. Your point of view and your reactions can be in the same frame. And adding dynamic movement is as easy as dropping points throughout your video. Rilo will handle the rest. But what if your subject is moving? Well, you can select it, and the Rilo app will track it in frame. Want to visit another world? Just pinch to see a new perspective with Rilo Tiny Planet. Stay in the moment, capture everything. Available now.